Let's go. I'm of the opinion that desk space should promote focus, but it should also entail some traits when it comes to creative workspaces. It should inspire, promote design, entice you to create, and encourage play. On my shelves, you will find things that entice, encourage, and promote. Some are gifts, some are symbolic to milestones, and some just serve a purpose. Aesthetics are important to me. You'll see a lot of charcoals, muted blues, and things that fit a certain visual belonging. However, being a functional space, a lot of my camera and audio gear is visually prevalent. And of course, there's a few trinkets. The pegboard layout will likely change this year as I establish my content workflow, but for now, it works. Some people prefer a minimalist setup, but I prefer a functional setup. Some of the trinkets are in the way of a fully functional setup, so in the coming year, we might see some changes. Everybody needs them. Some people are passionate about them. I enjoy my peripherals. From my phone stand to my boom arm, it's a mix of brands that work for me. The phone I use currently is the iPhone 13 mini. I wanted to encourage myself to keep it small and promote the use of my actual camera. It sits on the new Lexi stand from Amazon while utilizing the Logic's Mag charger. If you saw my short from 2 years ago, I'm still using the same keyboard. It's the HyperX Alloy Origins Core, and I have it in the 10 keyless format. I use it every day, and I don't regret buying it. The desk pad I'm using is from SteelSeries. It has anti-fray edges, and it's washable. I like it enough that I got one for at work. Above my mouse area is an old filter case that I use as a coaster for my water. As for the mouse, it's a Logitech MX Master. Yes, the first version. I quite like it. The ergonomics, weight, and functionality are great. I do plan on upgrading it to an MX Master 3S or the 4 when it comes out. As a creative person, I utilize physical and digital mediums. The iPad Pro from 2018 helps me simplify my art and photography workflows. Some of the programs I use most often are Adobe Fresco, Lightroom, Photoshop, Premiere Rush, the Notes app, Mojo app, and Pixlr. Now for sound. These are the Sony 900N, and I love them. On the desk are a couple placeholder Sonys. They will be replaced. The boom arm is Thrawn Max. The mic is the NT USB Mini from Rode. The monitors are both from BenQ. I saved money on them, but would like to get at least one 27-inch professional display. For now, I just use sRGB, and that's good enough for me. To ease eye strain, I use undershelf lighting for backlighting the displays. Some people are passionate about computers, and to be honest, when I built mine in 2021, I was thorough with making it sing. I gave it high airflow, swapped not extended the cables, and chose components that geared it towards a creator rig. It utilizes AM4 architecture with the X570 Pro motherboard, complete with 64 gigabytes of RAM, high-speed storage, and a Vision GPU. Oh, and I do hope to upgrade it this year. The cable management needs some work, but with what I have, it works. The chair is an imitation of a popular Herman Miller chair. Unfortunately, the comfort isn't quite there, so I made some changes to it to make it a little bit more comfortable. There are areas of the setup that need some work. The area next to the desk is currently used as a catch-all for camera gear, but it isn't very organized. I'm hoping to get a cart with dividing bins just to make organization simpler. But that's a project for another time. And that about sums it up. Let me know in the comments if I missed anything. I'll try to respond or make another video. Thank you for being on this journey with me.